Installing Power BI is straightforward and can be done in a few simple steps. Download Power BI Desktop. Visit the official Microsoft Power BI website and navigate to the Download section. Choose the version of Power BI Desktop that matches your operating system and click on the download link. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer file that you downloaded. Follow the prompts to begin the installation process. Accept terms and conditions. Read and accept the license terms and conditions presented during the installation process. Choose installation options. Select any additional options you want, such as creating a desktop shortcut or adding Power BI to the Start menu. Complete installation. Click Install to start the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on your computer's speed. Launch Power BI. Once the installation is finished, you can launch Power BI Desktop from the Start menu or the Applications folder. Sign in. While signing into a Power BI account is not required to use Power BI Desktop, signing in allows you to access additional features and collaborate with others through the Power BI service.